Hello guys, I am here to share my simple experience fixing this error on your ps4 Su-42118-6, and this is a safe mode. I even try all these options but none of this work. And if your dual shock controller is not working, try to change the wire with the data receiving. And this one is start opening our ps4. Actually, our main goal here is to remove and reconnect only one cable. Yes, we try to open this one, the 3 screws, the lower part of your ps4 using the T8 screwdriver. Yeah, yes, this one, T8. Now try to removing our 3 screws. Yeah, now we try to open from the lower back corner. Try to snap gently, just be careful. Lower back corner, yes, lower part of your ps4. I'll show you guys what cable you reconnect. This cable here, try to remove and gently or properly put it back, this cable. Yeah, and try to remove the power supply, this one. Yes, and also try to remove the connection over there and put it back as well. Sorry guys, because I didn't have the video for that. Yeah, try to remove our power supply, and after removing the power supply, there's the connection as well there, and then you need to remove and connect as well. That's it. And after we remove and put back the power bank, we will try again our ps4. Yeah, after this one I already install and update my software. Now it worked. I can show you guys the version 11. I didn't have already the trouble to fix, or so many things to do. Yeah, I'll show you guys here. Settings, and then go to system. Where's it? System software update. Yeah, this one, and I'll show you guys. I already installed my version 11. Yeah, now I can log in my account and install everything and use my ps4 normally. That's all guys. Yes, just try that one. If I helped, please try to like and subscribe my small channel. Thank you guys. Bye.